What's going on? JakeOfALL here, and this is another 2-minute tool review. And this guy, a lot of people have asked when I've been opening packages what it is, and here you go. It's essentially like a safety knife, but what it is called is the OLFA SK-15-10, okay? And this is a disposable version. And you can see here, it's got a little safety cover. It's great for picking that, no. But what you can use it for is quickly opening a package like that. You can also use it to cut open something. And I'll show you here, come here. When you have some of these blister packs, if you sort of get it started, you can see here how it literally will just slice right through the package. And it's safe because, well, it's safety. And these disposable ones, once the blade gets dull, you just throw it out. So again, take a look. You can see here, you can open packages, you can open tape, you can cut through cardboard, you can cut through straps on things. You can probably cut through just about anything. So that is the OLFA SK-15-10. /10. So I'm the JakeOfALL. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.